Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make money online working on talentsroute.com. So basically this is a new freelancing platform and very few people know about this. And another freelancing platform like Fiverr and Upwork freelancer, there's a very huge competition and for the new freelancer that is very difficult to create gigs, rank them and get orders. Now on this website the competition is very low, and basically this is an Arabic website and I have translated it into English by clicking this button. If you click this button, then you will get the Arabic version, and to get the English version just click again this button. Now in this video I will show step by step that how you can register on this website and then make your own gig and get orders. And as you can see there are a number of categories in which you can work. So if you have any type of skills in this, then you can create your gig and get orders and make money online. Here are some workers that you can see. I will designing an amazing flyer brochure. So this is basically a designing work, and this is how your gig will look like. Now I have been working on Fiverr since last 2 years, as you can see, and I am a level 2 seller on this. And now it's time to create a new gig on this website. So while creating my own gig, I will record this and you will get an idea how to create a gig and rank that gig and get orders. So let's see how we can work on this talentsroute.com. First go to talentsroute.com and click on the register button to register yourself. Now you can type a username, so I'll write now an email address, a password, and this is a very important part of the registration, that are you a seller or a buyer. So if you want to hire other freelancer to do your work, then you will select buyer, but in this case I am selecting seller as I will work on this platform to earn money. So choose seller and click register. You can also continue with your Google account or your Facebook. Once you have done this, just click register. And now they will send you a verification email to the email address you provide. So just open your email, and this is the email which I get from talentsroute.com. As you can see, my username. I'll click verify, and now we are successfully registered on this website. Now this is a very simple process, but after this you will need to update your profile. So go to your profile. Now routes not found. So routes are basically the gig that you see here on Fiverr. So we will create this in a while, but let's see our profile first. Click on edit profile. Now this is again the seller and buyer, so choose seller. You can upload an image, so I will click this. Now here you set your first name and last name that are required, so I'll write these. Choose your country and your time zone. Now your preferred language, so I'll choose English. And the additional language, you can select another language that you know, so I'll choose Urdu. Again your email address and phone number, and here write a brief description about your experience and about you. Now here you can write about yourself, but I'll copy it from my Fiverr profile here. And we'll paste it here. Now the best thing is there is no copyright issues, so if you want you can copy your Fiverr profile, your gigs, and also gigs from other sellers. For example, you search for web developer and you get the high ranked gig. You can copy that and paste it in your profile. So once you have done this, you can make some customization to this, like make it bold. And once you have done this, then you will have to add your skills. So if you are a web developer, you know about yourself that what to write here. So here you can write your basic skills, like I'll write web developer, and to separate this you can simply write comma. So write a few skills and just click save changes. Now data saved successfully, so click OK. And now we have successfully updated our account. Now go to the security tab. Here you can change your password and can turn on two-factor authentication. But we will ignore this for now. Withdraw details. So here you can enter your PayPal ID or Payoneer. So I'm using Payoneer, so I will put my Payoneer email here. And will save changes. Now go to settings. Enable mobile notification or email notification. So make sure you have turned this on, just because in case you get an order, you will get notified. So for identity verification, you can upload your national ID or passport or your address, etc. And here you can deactivate your account, which of course you will not do. And subscription. Now this is the criteria that which seller can get your services and can hire you. So you can make some type of restriction here. Okay, once you update your profile, then it's time to create your first gig. Now the gig is basically your services that you provide to people, and I'll create one gig for myself and will show you how to create a gig. So again, go to your profile. Now no routes found, so we will create a new route. So go to the dashboard by clicking this button. Now you can simply click new route here or go to my routes. So I will click new route. Now give it a title. So I'll copy this from my Fiverr gig. And you can write about your services here, that for example I will create a website for you. So just write that, choose a category. Now my category is programming and IT, and the subcategory is web programming. Now click next. Now in the second step, you can choose a fixed price or a flexible price. So a fixed price means that you create a one-time gig in which you will get a fixed price by creating a website, in my case. Okay, and the flexible price, you can choose your basic, standard and premium plans. Now you can go with fixed price if you are a beginner. You write your price, your delivery days, and you can choose these options if you want, and then you can click next. But I will choose flexible price just to show you how we can do this. So the basic and standard premium, now I'll choose this. To give it a name, you can again write basic, standard and premium. And here a little bit description about the basic, standard and premium plans. So again, I already have gig on Fiverr. If you don't have, then just follow along and you will see how. As you can see, this is a single page. and I wrote basic here. So I'll copy this description and will paste it here. For the standard, I'll go to standard tab and will get this and will paste it here. Now this is a little bit description about my plans, and delivery date I'll choose 2 days for this, 3 days for this one, and 5 days for premium plan. Revisions are if you get an order, that how much time your buyer can review those changes and can make modification to your order. So for the beginners, make sure you keep this unlimited just to make impact on sellers. And price, now we will choose a very low price at starting, because first you need to get some orders on this website, then you can increase your price. So for this I'll choose 5, 50 and 30. Now here on Fiverr, this is 120 because I already have worked on this website and people know me. But for the starter, keep the price as low as possible. We will not choose these extra options and will click next. Now here you will be your root description, that what your gig is about, and your requirements, that what you want from your sellers to give you to start your work, and search tags and upload photo. Now let's do one by one. So root description, write a little bit description about your gig. Again, I'll copy this from my profile here. And in requirements, I'll write something like do you have domain and hosting ready? So if they say yes, then we can start working on their website. For the search tags, write the tags that people will search and your gig will appear. So my gig is about WordPress, so I'll write WordPress. Now here you will have to choose a photo for your gig. So as you can see, I already have photos on my gigs here. So click this. I uploaded this for example just to show you. I'll change these later on. And if you have any video on YouTube or Vimeo about yourself, then you can put that link here. So I'll copy a video from my videos. And now click next. So this is the preview that how your gig will look. Now you can simply post it and click OK, and you will see your newly created gig under review. Now my gig is under review, and once the talent root team approve this, then it will appear in search results and people can hire me, they can contact me and give me work. So basically this is how we can create a gig profile on talentsroot.com. This is a very new website, especially in our country, so it's better to create a gig on this and make some money online. Now okay, so that is the whole process, that how you can register on talentsroot.com, make your profile and make a new gig. Now you can make multiple gigs by going to my roots and new root, and the process will be the same as I show you. Now on the other tabs you can manage your sales, shopping, request, my payments, etc. But we will see this in another video once our gig approved and we get an order, inshallah. Hope this video will help you. If you have any question in mind, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.